Just put in the engine. The engine's in already. Now we want to do the coating. You see this? I'm gonna put some sandpaper, clean that, then paint it. We'll put in the engine first. Huh, Rafi?
Yep.
Huh? How'd you think about that, Rafi?
Not much to go.
No?
Just a few things, connect some wires and nuts, and hopefully I think we got to work on the radiator, put that on there too. We should be done, I would say, very shortly.
Yep.
We should be done.
All right.
All the hard things just out of the way.
All the hard part, we put it already.
Yeah, all the hard things, taking it out and putting it back in, it's all out of the way. Now it's just everything is just plug in here, wires, buttons and stuff.
That's it. And paint.
Yep, and some painting.
Almost there. Then I'm gonna paint. Look at this. All the coating in the engine's in already. We put the engine already. That's it. Now put the muffler. That's it. And let's go. Put the bumper. Look at that. Look at that coating, everything. The whole car. We did the whole coating. Took the engine out. Did the coating and under and everything. Look at this. Look at how beauty. Now we put the bumper. And that's it. Stay tuned. Subscribe and share. And hit that bell. It's already on. Look at how it sounds. Sounds beautiful. Sounds beautiful. Oh yes. It's already on. Oh yeah. Hey. Oh yeah. You have to put all the stuff over here. Everything's good. Sounds beautiful. So tomorrow we're gonna put the bumper, and that's it. It's too cold now. Oh, everything's in. The engine is on. It's in. We put it. Ready. Paint everything. There. Everything's done for the summer. Now put the bumper. That's it. It's over. It's just the bumper. That's it. Are you ready? And then I'm gonna bring it to the shop. They're gonna do the whole muffler. Oh, it's gonna sound beautiful. We're gonna do the muffler delete and everything. There. We have the bumper here. Then tomorrow is on, and that's it. Thanks to God. Look at how quiet. Oh yeah. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the rings back, took the rings out, do the coating under. So we're gonna put the rings back. Let's go. It's already done. That's the bumper tomorrow and the rims. That's it. And I'm out.